Hello friends, welcome to the new session. Today we are going to draw an apple. But before we start, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for new videos. Let's get started. Now we are painting red. Now we are painting dark brown. Now we are painting green. Now we are painting dark green. Now we are painting white. Bye bye. See you in the next video.